The 2025 BM4 stands as a bold evolution of BMW's storied M division, fusing high performance, aggressive design, and advanced technology in a package that pushes the limits of what a modern sports coupe can achieve. With sharp lines, a powerful stance, and unmistakable presence, the M4 isn't just a car, it's a statement of intent. Under the hood, the 2025 M4 retains its iconic 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, codenamed S58, which has been finely tuned to deliver up to 525 horsepower in the competition trim. For driving purists, BMW continues to offer a 6-speed manual gearbox in the standard M4, while the competition variants benefit from an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission that provides lightning-fast shifts and seamless power delivery. All-wheel drive, xDrive, remains available for those who want maximum grip and performance in all conditions. What truly sets the 2025 M4 apart, however, is its updated chassis dynamics and refined suspension system. BMW has fine-tuned the adaptive M suspension for better feedback and sharper handling, ensuring that the car remains composed on both tight switchbacks and high-speed straights. Whether you're attacking a mountain road or lapping a track, the M4 communicates with its driver in a way that feels raw yet refined, the true hallmark of a modern M car. The design of the 2025 M4 has been subtly refreshed. The large kidney grills remain, but BMW has integrated them more smoothly into the front fascia. Slimmer LED headlights and redesigned air intakes add to the aggressive appearance, while new wheel designs and color options give owners more ways to personalize their car. Around back, the signature quad exhaust tips and sculpted diffuser remind anyone following that this is no ordinary 4 Series. Inside, the cabin reflects a blend of sportiness and luxury. The 2025 M4 now features BMW's latest curved display system that combines a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen in a single seamless unit. Powered by the iDrive 9 operating system, the infotainment experience is faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, along with a high-end Harman Kardon sound system that fills the cockpit. With crystal-clear audio, specific bucket seats in merino leather offer excellent lateral support without sacrificing long-distance comfort, and carbon fiber trim pieces throughout the cabin hint at the car's motorsport roots. Optional upgrades include carbon ceramic brakes, a carbon roof, and an M-Drivers package that raises the top speed from 155 miles per hour to 180 miles per hour. Safety and assistance features haven't been ignored either. The 2025 M4 comes equipped with BMW's Driving Assistance Professional Package, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. While it's a car that begs to be driven hard, it's also equipped to handle the everyday commute with ease and comfort. BMW has also introduced a special limited edition M4 CS model for 2025, aimed at enthusiasts who crave even more performance and exclusivity. With weight-saving measures, increased power, and a more track-focused suspension setup, the M4 CS is a thrilling addition to the lineup and proves that BMW still knows how to build a pure driver's car. Ultimately, the 2025 BMW M4 is a thrilling blend of tradition and innovation. It honors the M legacy while embracing the future with cutting-edge tech and thoughtful design. Whether you're carving canyons, cruising the Autobahn, or simply enjoying the sound of that glorious engine, the M4 delivers a driving experience that's as visceral as it is refined, a true modern icon.